Hi, welcome to Herbatixx. Dipping your face in ice water may seem like a rather unusual skincare practice, but you'll be surprised to learn about the potential benefits it can offer to your skin. One of the most immediate benefits of dipping your face in ice water is its ability to reduce puffiness. The cold temperature causes the blood vessels in your face to constrict, instantly reducing puffiness and under-eye bags and giving your skin a more toned appearance. This can be particularly beneficial in the morning or after a long day when your face tends to feel puffy. In addition to reducing puffiness, the ice water can stimulate circulation and increase blood flow to your facial area. This rush of blood can bring a natural glow to your skin. Increased circulation is believed to help deliver nutrients and oxygen to the skin and improve overall skin health. Furthermore, immersing your face in ice water helps to tighten your skin's pores, giving the skin a smoother appearance. Apart from these benefits, many people find that the shock of cold water has an invigorating and rejuvenating effect on their skin, making them feel more alert and refreshed. However, the rejuvenating effect of this practice on the skin needs more research. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more content. See you next time.